that Pilates can help your health and your well-being. It can help alleviate pain. We work our muscles so hard, and it is very rare that in our everyday practice we work these kind of supportive muscles. So with Pilates, we focus on those muscles, and we actually can help alleviate a lot of that joint pain and back pain that you tend to feel. Pilates makes you stronger. The nice thing about Pilates is you can always start. There's a beginner exercise or a modification, and there is so far that you can go with it. We can always add a challenge in, so you can continue to get stronger and never feel like you're maxing out your ability. Pilates is good for your mental health. If we move our bodies, it helps our mental health so much more, and movement is just key. It's such a key part of that. So we get that endorphin kick with Pilates. You can feel really good about what you're doing. It helps to see how far you've come, and it just helps to clear things out because you're focusing on so many things going on at once that you can just kind of tune out the rest of the world. Pilates helps you look and feel younger. I know that's like a bold statement to make, but if you feel sore and you are having trouble moving, you're gonna feel like you're older. You can actually practice Pilates. I've taught people well into their 80s, and you can actually feel better and feel more youthful, and you're taking care of yourself, so you look better, you look more youthful. So I know it's a bold statement to make, but it's true. You can look and feel younger. And last, Pilates can help you find your mind-body connection, which is a huge thing, right? We can have these conversations with our body parts, and we do that a lot with Pilates, so you can connect your head to the rest of what your body's feeling, and that helps to deepen everything that we're doing, from having like the ability to know what's going on with your gut, to manage stress, to manage anxiety. Having that mind-body connection is really key, and you can find that with Pilates.